Hey guys, Jack here, welcome back to the channel. We've got a real quick and simple video showing how to install a SIM card into the new iPhone 12. This applies to all the models from the Mini up to the Pro Max. It'll be the exact same. So all you need is the SIM ejection tool that should come in the box. If you don't have one, you can use a paper clip, unfold that and use that instead. I've also got a SIM card here. In the UK, that's a 3 SIM card. So all you need to do is take your new iPhone. On the left hand side, you'll see down here at the bottom a little slot with a hole in the bottom. That's the SIM tray. Take the ejection tool and just pop it into that hole there and push quite firmly and it will pop out like so. And then you can just use your fingers to pull it out and you'll see a little tray. And then you can take your SIM card and you want to have it facing upwards, so the contacts facing upwards. Place it in, it only goes in one way. And then take your iPhone facing upwards with the iPhone and the contacts on the SIM card, slot it back into place, and it should be then flush with the side of the iPhone, so make sure there's no water getting in. And then if we log in and we turn off the Wi-Fi, we should see up here at the top, we now have bars of service, so 4G. And if you are wanting to add an eSIM, this phone does support eSIM, go into settings and then into mobile data and then down to add data plan. And you can see here, you'll have a little camera view and you need to use the barcode that you should get if you have that sort of eSIM data plan. That's how you install a SIM and add an eSIM. If you have any questions or problems, do post a comment down below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see the unboxing, click over there on the left. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button on the right there so you don't miss any upcoming iPhone 12 videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one.